Hello people, I'm back with another review video and this time I'm going to review an excellent application that is Commerce Mojo. So if you are someone who own an e-commerce business or who sell anything online or who is willing to take your offline business to online, considering the current scenarios where most of the businesses are coming online because e-commerce industry is seeing an exponential growth right now, then this video will be really helpful for you. In this video, I'm going to share some of the key benefits that Commerce Mojo offers and how Commerce Mojo is different from other applications. And at last, I'm going to share the bonuses that Commerce Mojo will offer to only the early birds. So let's start today's video. So basically, what is Commerce Mojo? Commerce Mojo is, you can say it is a AI tool which helps you to create high quality product images or advertising videos uh, for um, for your website, for your e-commerce website, or for your Facebook store, or for your Instagram if you have an business on Instagram. So this is only I have mentioned only two features of Commerce Mojo. We have lot of features that you will discover as the video goes on. The major problem faced by e-commerce stores is that they require high quality product designs and videos as quickly as possible to stand out. And many video editors and design builders work with an outdated approach, which makes their designs difficult to stand out of the competition. And sometimes they hire multiple freelancers and even buy expensive high-end applications. So these are the problems that are faced by an e-commerce business. Now let's see some key features of Commerce Mojo. Commerce Mojo comes with several powerful tools in one dashboard, and we are going to see some of the best tools that Commerce Mojo offers. The first tool that it offers is a video creator. So if you are someone who sells a physical product online, or if you own an e-commerce business, then you must showcase your products to your audience through videos. So for that, you may hire a freelancer or spend hefty amount in some expensive software, and you have to learn that software first to operate that software. But what Commerce Mojo does is, because of their latest AI based technology, you can create stunning product videos in just seconds, and you don't need to watch tutorial videos for hours to do that. The second tool that it offers is their design builder, or you can say it's their image editor tool, which produces high quality product images in just seconds. The third tool that it offers is background removal. So basically, the difference between the free background removal that is available online and the background removal offered by Commerce Mojo is that the level of precision. It if you have some complex images, like if you want to remove a background from a complex image, then you can't use the free online background remover that is available. You have to uh, you must use some robust background remover tool for that, and the Commerce Mojo does the job for you. It removes backgrounds with remarkable precision, and that too in just seconds. The next tool that it offers is their image enhancer tool. Their image enhancer tool can enhance an image quality by 8 times with their high pixel quality upgrading tool. So the next tool that Commerce Mojo offers is their image compressor tool. So if you have an e-commerce business, then you must have an e-commerce website, and in that e-commerce website you must have a lot of product images, high quality product images, and that high quality product images may slow down your website. And for that purpose, you may use some of the free available image compressor tools that are available online. But the major disadvantage that these tools has is that it degrades the image quality. And if you upload that low quality product image to your website, then the chances of buying that product also decreases. So the Commerce Mojo's image compressor tool, what it does is uh, it drastically decreases the image size, but without losing the original quality of the image. So in this way, you can have high quality image at high quality image at lesser size, and you can upload that to your website. In addition to these tools, Commerce Mojo also offers a lot of features. Like it offers unlimited background removal. You can remove background for unlimited times, and you can enhance your image for unlimited times, and you can compress your image for unlimited times, and that too for a one-time cost. Um, and they also mentioned that this unlimited feature, is only for their yearly buyers or yearly subscribers. So as soon as it goes live, as soon as Commerce Mojo goes live, I would suggest you to purchase it as soon as possible. So it also offers 30 plus done for you video templates that you can use, and 50 plus done for you image templates, and you will also get a fully customizable video settings. You can also use 50 plus ready to use background image. It also offers automatic color matcher, and you can also add drop shadows and reflections. You can also add sticker effects, and 100 plus pro predefined backgrounds is also available. You can also use cutout from their 100 plus pro stock models. And the main feature of Commerce Mojo is their Pixabay integration. You can directly import any image from Pixabay, and you will not get any copyright strike. You can use vectors, icons, and shapes from their 1000 vector icons and shapes, and the video quality or image quality that will be exported from Commerce Mojo is absolutely of high resolution, and you can export unlimited projects. So now let us see some of the bonuses that Commerce Mojo will offer to their early birds. The first bonus that it will offer is Find Me a Business app. So this app will help you to find businesses along with phone number, email, and website with a single click. The next bonus that it offers is an agency website. Basically, what it does, if you buy Commerce Mojo at their launch date or as early as possible, then it will offer you a commercial license with a unique with a website, so that you can sell unique design services to your clients and charge more than $100 from that clients. The third bonus that it is offering is 50 pro stock model cutouts. The next bonus that it will offer is 10 done for you templates. That means you will get 10 additional high quality done for you templates that you can use instantly from right inside your Commerce Mojo account. And these templates are optimized for Facebook ads, video thumbnails, and social media. The next bonus that it will offer is 100% training webinar. It will offer a training webinar that will help you to understand the interface of Commerce Mojo. Basically, Commerce Mojo's interface is quite simple, but it will also offer you a webinar that how you can use Commerce Mojo more effectively. And the last bonus that is it is offering is businesses email swipe, contact businesses email swipe. So if you are in an e-commerce business, then you must be doing email marketing, or if you haven't started email marketing yet, then you must think about it, because email marketing is one of the cheapest marketing that you can use to acquire your customers. So but you cannot like spam emails to your customers. You have to have a proper copywriting technique for that. And what this bonus does is it offers 20 high converting email copywriting samples that you can use to acquire your customers. So these are the bonuses that it will offer to only early birds as soon as it goes live on 23rd of July. So I would suggest you to avail these bonuses and buy Commerce Mojo as soon as possible. And if you want to buy this, and if you want to get notified as soon as it goes live, then the link is in the description. You can buy from that link, or you can subscribe from that link.